Where's Nana?
Nana.
Say Nana.
Nana.
How about Grandpa?
Papa.
Can you say Gigi?
G.
And Granddad?
Dada.
Can you say Mommy?
Mommy.
Daddy? Can you say Daddy too? Put those back, please. Look at Mommy. Say Daddy.
Daddy.
Good girl. How about Kitty? Say Kitty, Kitty. Meow. Hey, what's the sheep say? Bah. What about the duck?
Duck.
What's the duck say?
Mama.
Quack, quack. What's the cow say?
Moo.
What's the horse say? Good girl. What's the puppy say?
Puppy. Puppy.
What's the puppy say?
Puppy.
Puppy say woof, woof.
Ooh.
Good girl. Can you say puppy?
Puppy.
Good girl.
Puppy.
What's the kitty say?
Kitty.
Kitty, kitty, kitty. Say meow. What's that up there? Is that the light? Can you do the sign for light?
Yes.
What's the sign for light? Show Mommy.
Oh.
Show Mommy the sign for... What do you have? You put that back. No, no. No, no, no. Do you need to go sit? Lanee? Do you need to sit? Thank you. That's a good girl.
No.
Okay, you don't have to sit. Thank you for putting it back.